I am out of here. Water, nature's juice. Isn't that shimmery and slimy? You know, I asked Derek to carry me down here because when I was hanging out with my new friend Connor, the big tree in the woods, I had a revelation. And that was I could greatly reduce my risk of accidentally killing another one of nature's beautiful creatures if I get off the land and just float in the water. So I'm gonna do this episode, but when I'm done, I'm living in there forever. Fun fact about water, it's H2O. H is for hydrogen and O is for oxygen. That means that you should be able to breathe it because oxygen's in it, right? Okay, I'll give it a shot. I think that's because of the hydrogen. Here's a fun fact about water. I want to live in it. One thing I know about water is that when it freezes, it turns into icebergs. Apparently, icebergs up north are melting a lot because of things that greedy businessmen are doing. You know me, I don't wish death on anybody, but something needs to happen to those guys. I was on a date once with Crystal, and I was enjoying it because we were walking down by the water, but all of a sudden my foot screws up and I fall into the water, and the way that the dock is higher, I can't get out, and I'm splashing about. There's no ladder, and I'm flailing about in there saying, help me, and she's laughing like crazy. And then she walks away and leaves me in there. And, but that's on me, you know, I should have been able to find a way out. Well, I'm off to live in the water. Here I go. See you later.